Did you know AI agents can think, decide, and act automatically? LangChain is one of the powerful frameworks used to build them. LangChain is a framework that connects large language models, tools, memory, and workflows to create smart AI applications. AI agents are intelligent systems that can understand goals, make decisions, use tools, and complete tasks automatically. When a user gives a request, the language model thinks. The agent selects the right tool, collects data, and gives the final response. LangChain connects all these steps seamlessly. LangChain AI agents are used in customer support bots, research assistants, smart search tools, automated task agents, and personal productivity assistants. The future of AI is moving beyond simple chatbots towards autonomous AI agents that can work independently. Would you trust an AI agent to work for you? Follow for more AI content.